all day on a swing eating a baguette. But why do boring things like that when there's the internet? Let's go make some videos. Hey, hey, let's go make some videos.
So today Mom has an appointment because she hurt her arm. And we're gonna go there. And then Gabby has piano later. And yeah. So we're in the car heading to, how do you pronounce it?
Chiropractor.
What Mom said.
You used to call it the chiropractor, remember, Maddie?
The cowpractor. That's what I used to call it. And yeah. Okay, so now we're at Dr. John's. How do you pronounce it? I don't know. Oh yeah, I remember the door that had the frog. And yeah. Hopefully Mom doesn't cry like a baby. Myself, nobody's here. Nobody saw that.
Hey, who's that good looking girl? That's me. Hey, I didn't even walk over yet. You must have stopped looking over there. I am good looking. Not you. I think she's talking about you. It's me. It's me. No, no. I better. Ow! Big weird. Getting on the show. TV news you. So cute. It reminds me of a baby Sadie.
It's too furry.
Maybe. So it's adorable.
You know this has to be a good place. They got cats on the TV.
Oh, they're so cute. Your office so long, Maddie. I know. Oh, so cute.
Okay.
Not anymore.
So my injured arm, I can only go like this and like that. So we'll
It's
see.
better than yesterday.
Yes, it is. So we'll see what it's like after the appointment. How much I can.
So now we're waiting to go in. We're in
Maddie's
the waiting
waiting
room.
to see me cry like a baby. She said.
That might get it all.
Yeah. As long as they let you.
Mom should be on it.
I'll hide with it.
I'll make this face. I'll touch my arm and I'll go.
Really?
I might. It hurts really bad.
If I touch it?
I'll smack you.
Does that hurt?
No.
Okay, she was like this.
What? Oh, I thought you were going to do it to me.
I thought she was. I thought she was gonna like slap you or
I
something.
know. That's what I thought too.
What are you doing over there?
Look, there's too much sun on here.
It's better on me. Gabby.
Okay, don't waste it filming the back of my head.
So now Mom's getting a little nervous.
I'm not.
Yeah, she is.
Mom, wait.
Let's fit in that chair.
Kind of. She's sitting on my leg. I don't want you to sit on my leg. Are you nervous?
Not yet.
She's nervous. Iron shirt.
I'll be happy to have it fixed.
So tell me what's happening.
They just painstakingly had to, but I can't. I didn't do it. How that happened?
Huh. I know I did that.
Oh, good, it wasn't me.
Okay.
Magic in me, got
You hear it crack? Over here.
Are you gonna cry?
What?
Are you gonna cry?
Not yet.
Oh, let me show it to you. I see the glasses. Now. Isn't that right?
What?
I said you're rocking out. Because you're going, ooh. Lift up your head. Is that on you? Yeah. Are you smiling or are you scared? Okay, I'll take that as smiling. Gabby, what are you doing? Closing my eyes.
Don't put those on.
I wasn't. What if I close my eyes? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You look nice in glasses. I look nice in I look nice in anything.
Just with the neck adjustment, it just seems like it moves a little better even.
If your back adjustment hurt, I
Pull a little bit.
your shoulders will hurt.
It didn't hurt, it just...
Whenever I came here, the guy said we only had to pay half the price because I was only half a person.
Yeah, I want a double price then, because I'm double the person.
Not.
Where? Maybe. Now we're just waiting and waiting.
And I'm just wasting the video.
And yeah.
Got
Yeah. And yeah.
I hate it when she does that. I do it better. And yeah. So piano's done, and Maddie's at Steph's house for a sleepover, so we get to have a break. I'm excited for a break.
So the microwave that we've only had since we moved in, so we probably got it in like the first week of October, blew up. So I'm not looking forward to when David comes home. I have to tell him that. And if anybody who knows David knows that he always throws boxes away instead of keeping boxes, which I always say on any electronics, you should always keep your boxes because, you know, they usually have like a year warranty on them and stuff. And yeah, you should always keep your boxes because you need them. Well, I bet you when he comes home and I ask if he has the box, he's probably going to say, no, I threw that out. And then I'm going to be in trouble because the microwave blew up. Because he threw the box out and we won't be able to return it or get anything done with it. So that's what I have to look forward to when he gets home, which will be any minute. What are you doing down there? Good thing I looked down or I'd have stepped on you. Just hanging out, huh? So I figured it might be better to call to soften the blow. We'll see what happens. This isn't gonna be good. Hey, honey, how are you?
What's wrong?
Did you happen to keep the box for the microwave?
What's wrong?
Did you happen to keep the box? Murphy.
No.
Of course not. But what do I always tell you about electronics?
What happened to it?
Well, it's not working.
Is the clock on?
Nope, the whole panel board's dead.
Okay, maybe it's a fuse then.
Well, it's not the fuse of the house because we tried plugging a phone into the receptacle.
What was in it? What's going on?
It was microwaving and it went poof. And the screen went blank. I thought maybe there'd be a reset button, so I tried to look it up online, and all I find is complaints.
Wonderful.
Yeah. See, if we had the box, this wouldn't be a problem. Just saying, you know?
Wonderful.
Yeah. So, that's all I wanted.
Great.
Well, maybe he'll go easy on us because he's the one that threw the box away. Because, you know, it's not my fault that the thing blew up. It went poof and it went blank, and I looked all around for a way to reset it, and I don't see anything. Unless it has a fuse for the microwave? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Look how bad I look. That's because I had an hour and a half chiropractic visit where they beat the snot out of me, but look. I can move my arm a little bit, and I can go back further than I could before. I still can't get it up, but we're getting there. One step at a time.
Okay, so they finally came in because somebody was taking a long time outside. Now we're gonna play Pictionary. Bless you.
Thanks. Who's here?
The people.
Well, these are harder to draw.
Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Kevin's hiding. Tyler, say hi to
Oh,
YouTube.
cameras.
Gotcha.
There it is.
Yep.
And yeah.
Trash can. Mushroom house. Blue's Clues.
No, what? It looks like a hotel. I don't know. Cupcake house.
Strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake's house. Cupcake. Sprinkles. Cherry on top. I don't know. You said you could draw this one better.
Apartment.
Oh, that's the
The gumball
gumball
machine.
machine. No. I know
Gumball
what it was.
machine. In your face, Tyler. What is it?
Draw Z's upside down.
Sleeping in a coma.
Bedtime.
Z.
It's easy.
Blanket. Sleeping in a bed. Asleep.
This is
Sleeping bag.
Yeah, sleeping bag.
How the crap did you figure that one out? That was awful.
It was pretty bad.
Quincy, it's time to go to bed.